Hi, it's Steve. Today we'd like to show you how to change the fresh food door gasket on your refrigerator. It's a really easy job. Let me show you how we do it. Now once you receive your door gasket and remove it from the package, the first thing we'll want to do is inspect it and make sure that there's no damage to it. But you're probably going to find that there are some kinks or bends in it that won't allow it to fit properly in place. So what we suggest you do is take that and either apply some heat with something like a hair dryer, lay it in a hot tub of water, or you can also tumble it in your dryer, although we suggest if you do that, put in a couple of towels with it. Once we've got it nice and soft and pliable, then we're going to lay it on a flat surface, such as the side of your refrigerator, with the gasket side facing it, and allow it to hang there. Make sure that we get it nice and square and flat. Once we've done that, we can start to replace it. Now on this particular model, that gasket will fit both the left and right hand door, and the replacement for either is identical. Typically the one that fails most often is the one on the right hand side, and that's because the left hand door has this mullion that fits into a groove at the top. If you open the left-hand door and simply close it like that, you push that mullion through this tab and it will tear, such as this. That will allow some room air into your refrigerator and potentially cause some frost buildup. So the proper method is to always close the left-hand door first. Even if you only open the left-hand door, open the right one, close the left, then close the right. So let's go ahead and change this gasket. Start alongside, simply grasp that gasket, and we'll pull it right out of the channel that is built into that liner. Once you get that gasket started, simply work your way all the way around the perimeter, pull it out of that channel. You can then discard the old gasket. Now our next step will be to clean that channel out completely. Chances are you're going to find some spills that have left a sticky residue behind, particularly across the bottom of the door. So make sure you clean that really well. Now once we have that channel nice and clean, we can go ahead and put our gasket on. We've already heated this one and straightened it out. So we just need to make sure that we have those flaps in the proper spot. They should be on the handle side of the door. So we'll begin by placing the gasket on the door, lining up the two corners, and then pressing the gasket into place. But we want to make sure that the edge of the gasket that contacts the back side of the door lays nice and flat. Go to our opposite corner, and we'll do the same thing. Just press that gasket firmly into that channel. Make sure it's flush all the way along. And again, pay particular attention across the bottom. Make sure that it's fitted properly and is lined flush. You can then simply close up our refrigerator door, and your repair is complete.